struggling to be good at this will turn you off. Start with the pendulum. This will energize you in the tuning up phase that is necessary to blend with us. Yes, this guidance will come through your thinking, but you will think that it came from you. So before you try this, ask the universal channel talking board, do it with your pendulum first to connect with us so these sessions go off smoothly. Okay, for a moment, I'm going to take the pendulum out. This is the pendulum that we have that has been optimized for use with Ask the Universal Channel Talking Board. And you put your hand over the top. And I put my other hand on my forearm that's holding the pendulum so that I know I'm not moving it. It's moving itself. And you can see the bottom of the base right here being pulled by the stone, the point. When they were talking about how this works with your thinking. What they mean by that is you will, when you're doing this and it's moving to certain letters, like right now it's moving to W, O, you see it's moving this way, N, T, won't. And I'll just finish saying what they're saying because these are like downloads, mental downloads that come into your mind instead of waiting for that to reach each letter and spell it like I do when they come through using this, okay? So this is more like a download of information, little blocks of information, maybe a sentence or so that come through at any given time when you're focusing on using the pendulum, all right? So using your pendulum or using the pendulum that we made that is customized for use with Ask the Universal Channel Talking Board is another option. So we're going to close this, the guide's final words. We will feel your energy unite with ours when you begin to learn this marvelous technique. Yes. Okay.